Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Solana coin on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the icon. Just simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, now click on search bar and search for Solana. To add Solana on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option. Once you enable the option, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and scroll down. Click on Solana. Once you click on it, now hit the receive button. After you hit the receive button, you will be provided with QR code and wallet address. With the help of this wallet address, you will be able to add or receive Solana coin on your Trust Wallet app through different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Solana on your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.